So I had to come in out of the rain. Had to get in underneath a couple trees here. But I figured maybe I would show you a few alternative views from down here by the river behind my house. So it's raining right now, so the wildflowers can be happy when the sun finally does come out here in Oregon. So I'm going to pan over here and show you the river behind me here. How you doing, Betty girl? Hi, Betty. Good dog. Got a little bit of destruction going on over there. What's kind of neat about this scene over here is that all these trees that look like they're really old trees really are not, because none of those trees were there when I moved in about 10 years ago. But the alders and the cottonwoods typically grow really, really fast and then fall over and then rot and create a forest floor, so the fir trees and the cedar trees can grow. So it's kind of fascinating for me to watch these trees go through this cycle. Not only that, but this diversion over here, it really wasn't there. Well, it was there, but it was just very small. And through a couple floods since I've lived here, it's really opened up and caused quite a creek going through here. It's actually more than a creek, it's a river. So it's interesting to be able to watch this whole area change through the years. Kind of wish I would have thought about it in the beginning and maybe set a camera up and started taking a series of photographs through time. So, let's go! This tree fell maybe a year or two ago. This is a big Douglas fir. It's kind of a cool bridge. Where's that confounded bridge? Hi, Betty. Yes, good dog. Get your tennis ball. Good girl. Get your ball.